Dear friends, dear colleagues, good morning. It is a great pleasure to address you today with our dear friends and partners, Ms. Rachel Galloway, British Ambassador in North Macedonia, and Ms. Mila Tsarovska, Minister of Education and Science. Many thanks also to you all for accepting our invitation and attending the event. Unfortunately, due to the ongoing rise in COVID-19 cases, we had to adjust the format of our event in order to reduce the risks while remaining productive. On the other hand, this is a great opportunity for all of us to explore new models for fruitful and productive talks. During these uncertain and complex circumstances, UNDP remains passionately committed to advocating for change by connecting different stakeholders to knowledge, experience, and models of change that help people and communities to build forward better and to become more resilient to future shocks. We are all witnessing how business ecosystems are making dramatic shifts to ensure their sustainability in the new normal. Resilient business strategies will be fundamental to both success on the market and success of the country's socioeconomic recovery. Innovation is more vital than ever in giving companies the competitive edge that allow them to penetrate new markets faster and access greater opportunities. That is why we put special emphasis in introducing innovative solutions that businesses can adopt on their journey to growth and sustainable development. UNDP team, supported by local and international experts, had been conducting several analyses and policy recommendations that will help us lay the groundwork for our discussions and upcoming development efforts. The stakeholders mapping analysis offer an in-depth look at the current conditions and challenges in the textile and construction industries. What we can clearly see is that the skills development is essential to support the modernization and digital transformation these industries require to grow and stay competitive. Without fast and effective educational reforms, the future of these industries will remain uncertain. Our experts also analyzed North Macedonia's post-secondary education model and business-led regional vocational education centers. Their findings will help steer the development of the industries involved, but we also hope that they will incentivize other industries facing a shortage of skilled labor, especially in the fields of new technologies and new occupations, to consider new ways of addressing the challenges. Of course, the lessons learned from the implementation of this project will be captured as recommendations and will helpfully be reflected in the policy updates relating to post-secondary education and reforms of the vocational education system. I would like to conclude by thanking UK Aid for their very generous financial support. I would like also to thank our partners from the Ministry of Education for their effective cooperation, and business sector, the most importantly the business sector, for its commitment and openness for working together on this project. This is not a challenge any of us can overcome alone. So I'm really thankful that we are in this together. I wish all of us fruitful discussions today, and please stay safe.